Somalia has one of the youngest populations in Africa. At least 47% of the Somali population age is less than 15 years compared to 40% of the African continent. The 2017 to 2019 National Development Plan highlights critical issues children in Somalia face. Firstly, despite a constitutional requirement for compulsory education for all children, a significant number of children are not attending school. Secondly, there is a considerable delay in enrollment based on age appropriateness for those children who do manage to enroll in school. Lastly, the impact of internal displacement due to the drought has increasingly affected children in Somalia. Based on those facts, the government of Somalia is committed to ensure to the extent possible that the analysis of the multidimensional child poverty is a key element of SDG and NDP 9 reporting. The report will also be a baseline for NDP 10.
Saboolnimada Caruurta waxaa loo isticmaalay tool ama hab lagu cabirayo saboolnimada caruurta. Waxaan cabraadana laga keenaa inta badan xogo hore u yaal ama sahamo hore loo fuliyo. Xogtani waxaa laga falanqeeyay xogtii sahanka caafimaadka iyo nafaqada ee Soomaaliya hore loo fuliyay. ujeedada xogahan loo isticmaalayo waxay tahay in lagu qorsheeyo isla markaana lagu dejiyo istaraatiijiyada la xiriira ka saaridda saboolnimada caruurta Soomaaliyeed.
The report examines 8 dimensions of child poverty in Somalia, which includes water, sanitation and hygiene, housing, education, information, and violence. The most common deprivation is sanitation at 85%, followed by housing and nutrition at 67% each. Water and violence are dimensioned with the least deprivation at 44% and 38% respectively. Child poverty analysis allows us to show how far Somalia wants to move its children in relation to peers in other African countries. This is partly guided by the fact that in 2015, Somalia ratified the Convention on the Rights of the Children, CRC. Hence, the country is keenly interested in the situation of its children. By adopting the CRC, the country is committed to improving the conditions of its children. The National Bureau of Statistics is planning to disseminate the Multidimensional Child Poverty Analysis Report on the 24th of June 2023.
waxaa ka faa'iideysanaya siyaasad-dejiyaasha, warbaahinta, ganacsatada, bulshada rayidka iyo daneeyayaasha dalka iyo kuwa caalamka intaba.
We would also like to show our profound appreciation to all the parties that contributed significantly towards the analysis. This includes our colleagues from the Social Development Line Ministries and our international partners, particularly UNICEF Somalia, for their financial and technical assistance.